What's up guys, the best news has arrived. Samsung is fully prepared to give you the best they can on August the 5th. We've got this official trailer of the Galaxy Z Flip 5G, the live images of Tab S7, official images of Galaxy Buds Live which look a lot like a bean, so I'm gonna call them Galaxy Bean, and they look hella cute, and also finally coming with active noise cancellation. But of course the big boys in the game will be the Z Fold 2 and Galaxy Note 20/Note 20 Ultra, which are now officially coming with the fastest chip in the Android game. Yes, the heart that runs the beast is officially announced. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus, the absolute overclocked beast performance is here. Near 3.1 GHz CPU speeds powered by one of the strongest GPUs in the game. We're looking at 10% performance gains in both CPU and GPU performance compared to the Snapdragon 865. It's also coming with the integrated X55 modem for 5G speeds. Like, this is surely the most powerful chip inside an Android phone in the world right now. The only big concern right now is if Samsung has something equal planned for the international market, which according to the rumors is Exynos 992, but we haven't really heard anything from Samsung officially. So I'm still looking forward to hear something in the news in the coming days, or maybe they just want to surprise us. But normally we always see the chipset getting announced officially before the launch, so I hope that happens, because I mean, at this point people won't be giving Samsung another chance. Let's hope they have the balance in both markets. And yes, the Galaxy Note 20 family will be coming with a charger and everything you love right out of the box. Apparently things could change massively next year, but this year it is exactly the same, so chill out. Samsung may be saying goodbye to certain things, and along with that they may be saying goodbye to Qualcomm and go AMD all the way, which means that Note 20 could be one of the last Snapdragon flagships. So I'm glad to see Samsung securing the Snapdragon 865 Plus chip. Now a huge shout out to Jimmy for the Note 20 impressions. These are full video, high quality video leak of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and he even compared it to the Note 10 Plus. The size is a bit bigger, the new camera bump looks a lot bigger than the Galaxy Note 10 Plus camera bump, but in my opinion it looks really badass with these new color coordinated rings on the back, and there are changes to the S Pen and the speaker position. You can check out his whole video, the link is in the description. Also, this is the best news that has come out in recent weeks. The pricing of the Galaxy Note 20 family might actually be cheaper than initially expected. So I already made a video about the Note 20 pricing, how Samsung could make a big mistake, and now it seems like they're actually fully aware of the situation and where the market is right now. So according to two sources out of South Korea, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 family could be $50 to $100 cheaper than what we have expected. So we could see the Note 20 coming at $900, the Note 20 Ultra at $1,300, which is again $100 cheaper than S20 Ultra. Samsung is said to be fully prepared for the current economic situation. They haven't given the same number of component orders for the Note 20 family, which they normally do, which means that they are prepared for the mediocre Note 20 sales if all goes wrong. But one thing is clear is that the high pricing will definitely not gonna help Samsung score those big sale numbers. So this is definitely a good move on their part. I still personally think that the Galaxy Note 20 should be costing around $800, but let's wait and see what happens. Now Galaxy Note 20 family, Tab S7, Z Fold 2, they all will be rocking the brand new One UI 2.5. It's unclear what changes Samsung has implemented because it is based on Android 10, but usually Samsung brings a lot of features compared to, you know, stock Android before even jumping the big number. Looking forward to this new version, and also hoping that it will come to the Galaxy S20 and S10/Note 10 devices in the future. Now Samsung Galaxy Buds Live is apparently the name that they have chosen for their new beans looking buds. I have to say they look really good. Might actually be the best looking earbuds out there, but let's see if they can stay in our ears properly, because this is a very unique kind of design. And let me know what you think about them side by side to the AirPods Pro. Which do you think is looking better? According to Ice Universe, we finally have active noise cancellation, one of the features that I personally wanted to see. They will get officially announced with the Note 20 family along with the Galaxy Watch 3. All in all, everything we need to know about the Note 20 family is here. We've got everything we need regarding the Note 20 Ultra, but strangely nothing regarding the Galaxy Note 20, not even a live image. So I'm still hoping to see that in the coming days. Now some of you may have noticed that I dropped my Galaxy S20 Ultra while filming a night hyperlapse, but fear not, I'm one of the few powerful shinobis in the world who happens to own two Galaxy S20 Ultra models. In order to not break my new Galaxy S20 Ultra, iBlazon has hooked me up with some amazing cases with built-in protectors in the case itself for total protection against the drops. You can search iBlazon on Amazon.com or click the link in the description to find their full range of cases for Galaxy S20 models and other devices. So they have sent me the brand new Cosmo case. I'm absolutely loving the name. The packaging feels really premium. Inside we have a paperwork guide to get you started. So first I'm going to apply the front part of the case, which has that built-in screen protector. It's really easy and simple. It's got a nice cutout for the fingerprint sensor as well, and as you can see, it works flawlessly. Now time for the back part of the case, and look at this beauty. This Cosmo color gave a new life to my S20 Ultra's very basic color. Feels strong in hand and looks pretty good. So a big shout out to iBlazon for the cases, and thank you for sponsoring this video. Definitely check them out. The link is down below in the description. So that's all the news for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Can Samsung match the performance of the 865 Plus chip with its Exynos 992? What do you think? I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.